Hello and welcome back. Let's take a closer look at how much time you've spent on your phone recently. Open your time tracking apps and evaluate where you've spent the majority of your time. How often did you pick up your phone? And how long did you spend on it? Was your prediction from this course's first video correct? Did you expect it to be less or more? Make a note of it. What about social media? How much time did you spend on them? They can be useful for staying in touch with friends, but they also have a disadvantage. Thanks to sophisticated algorithms and countless designers, social media platforms are cleverly designed to keep you engaged for as long as possible. Seeing all of those seemingly perfect photos from others can make you feel like your own life isn't so great. Have you ever been scrolling through Instagram and thought to yourself, why can't I be like that? Comparing yourself to others is a common trap. This is frequently accompanied by FOMO, or fear of missing out. We worry that if we are not on social media, we will miss out on important information. Phones make it simple to check and stay updated, which keeps us glued to our screens. It appears to be a never-ending cycle. There is also the influence of negative comments, which have a far greater impact on us than positive comments, as well as a variety of other factors that influence us. We could talk about this in several videos, but you are probably aware of the consequences of social media, so we will move on to the practical part. You don't have to be always connected. Saying no to the constant scroll does not imply missing out on your best life. Indeed, it may be the key to living it. Here is the challenge. Uninstall social media and apps where you're spending a lot of time but getting little value in return. Keep in mind that this is only temporary. It is not permanent. Also, it is not about isolating yourself from the rest of the world. You can still access your social media accounts at any time. Simply use your phone's or computer's internet browser to access them. I know it's difficult, but it's one of the most effective ways to reduce your phone time. The time has come. Uninstall TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and other apps right now. Don't put it off any longer. Simply do it. Believe me, this is the most effective way to regain control. Even if it was only for a few hours or days, this would be an important victory for you.